Hey everyone, Jesse here with Jamie Dolan, having a little Helpertech talk. And today we're going to talk about how long it takes to get your iPhone fixed, the need for an appointment, and just the overall experience at Helpertech. So what's the process if somebody needs to get their phone fixed at Helpertech?
Well, as you just led in with, no appointment necessary is one of our big selling points, I guess you would say, to the customer. We understand people have less and less free time the busier we get. So again, it's not always convenient for you to come into a store when they say you can come in. For example, I'm going to pick on Apple for a little bit. To even go into their store to see somebody, you have to make an appointment. So you might have a 2-hour window from when you get to the store to when you actually see the technician that you were scheduled to see. Kind of like going to a doctor. You go to Apple,
Okay.
you know you're going to sit in the lobby and wait for a while.
Okay.
So again, we're trying to eliminate that because it's already an inconvenience to have to go through a phone repair. Nobody likes to do it.
Sure.
So what we're trying to do is, again, make this as easy on the customer as we can. So whenever you're ready to come into the store, whether it's something that you know you need to get done days in advance, or you have an accident on the way to work and you need that phone fixed now so you can use it at work, you can just swing into our store, and we've got repair options as quick as 15 minutes to 1 hour for that screen repair. So again, we can get you turned around really fast per your convenience when you need it, not when we say we can fit you into our day.
Okay. So is that true of all phone repairs? You got iPhone screen repair, battery replacement, charging ports, as everything, or?
That's correct. Whatever the need is that you have on your phone, we don't require an appointment. So just stop into the store, and more often than not, we can get started on your repair right away.
So no appointment needed. Do they have to call ahead of time and say they're coming, or kind of register, or what all protocol is needed, or is it just hey, stop on in?
Nope, just stop on in. If you already know pricing and you're ready to do your repair now, there's no need to call us whatsoever and pre-register or anything like that at all. You just walk into the front counter. One of our technicians will jump up right away and assist you. And depending on which repair option you choose, we can start it right away for you.
How long will those repairs take?
As little as 15 minutes for a screen repair, upwards of an hour if that's the time frame you choose. If you've got a charge port, for example, might need about a half hour, 40 minutes. Batteries are about 10 to 15 minutes. I'd say probably majority of the repairs on the phone can all be done within a half an hour.
So no appointment needed, in and out in 15 minutes, maybe half hour, an hour, depending on the repair.
Correct.
Pretty sweet.
It is. And again, because we know people don't have a lot of time to sit around and wait, or again, make multiple trips back to the store to see if the device is ready yet. So we
Right.
try to complete it as quickly as we can after you drop it off.
Nice. So people want to get a hold of you. They don't need to, right?
Right.
No appointment is needed.
Correct.
But if they wanted to get a hold of you, how would they do that?
Simplest way is to give us a call at the store, and that number is 651-605-2570. That's to our Eagan location. We also have a store in Burnsville as well. And then you can email me. That's jamie@helpertech.com. Or you can send us a message via Facebook Messenger, and that's facebook.com/Helpertech.
Awesome. Thanks, Jim.
No problem.